Today I'm going to show you how to make a square video online using a free online video editor, and also show you how to create a square video on your phone using a free app. Here's how to make a square video online using the free online video editor called Kapwing. I'll place a link to Kapwing in the description below this video. Go to kapwing.com, click Tools, click Meme Generator. You can start with a basic meme template. Also pick from any of these trending memes. We're going to choose this one because you can put a headline at the top and a subtitle at the bottom. Click Make It. Now we're going to take our video that was downloaded from YouTube and import it into Kapwing. Click Replace. You have the option to upload a file, or you can use the video URL of your YouTube video. When you do that, it'll import the video into the video editor. In this case, we're just going to upload the video file. Click to upload. I'm going to choose Aztec Island. Click Open. Now you can see we've got the video in the middle, then we've got the headline at the top, and we've got the subtitle at the bottom. We can also change the dimensions of the video by just dragging the corners. Currently we have a black background, so I want to change that to a different color. Click on the background. I can change it to white, red, yellow, blue. Let's stay with blue. Notice at the top here we've also got output size 1:1, 9:16, which is for Instagram stories, and 16:9, which is a YouTube video. We're going to stick by 1:1, which is a square video. I also want to change the color of the text, so just click on the text. I'm going to choose yellow. I'm going to change the text by just highlighting it and then put Aztec Island. I'm going to make it bigger by just dragging the handle. Then we can do the same for the subtitle at the bottom that we want to name the video for. Just click on the text, click yellow, going to highlight it. I'm going to call it Beach Trip, make it bigger. And there's our square video design already done. Now I can play the video, so I click play. Now I can publish the video, so just click publish. It says your content is being processed. While the video is being processed, I just want to mention a couple other things about using Kapwing. You can use it as a video editor. You can add subtitles to your square videos or any other videos, and you can do it in different languages. You can also add a voiceover. I'll place a link to Kapwing in the description below this video. Okay, here's my video. Notice it has a Kapwing watermark in the video, so if you want to remove that, you have to sign up for an account. And it's free to sign up. So I click sign in to remove watermark, continue with Google. Now it says your watermark free content is being processed. Later on, I'm going to show you how to make a square video using the Kapwing app on your phone, whether it's an Android or iOS device. So stay tuned. Okay, here's my video. I have some different options now. I can download it, I can edit again, make a copy. I can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or I can copy the link, or I can embed it. In this case, I'm just going to download it to my computer so I can share it on Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to download a video. Here it is. Play the video. And that's all there is to it. But Herman, how do I create a square video just using my phone? I'm glad you asked. Now I'm going to show you how to create a square video just using your iPhone. Hey, if you like the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Download and install the Kapwing app, which you can get from the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or from the App Store if you're on an iOS device like the iPhone. Tap the Kapwing app, tap Tools, tap Meme Generator, tap Get Started, tap Start with a blank canvas, tap Upload. I can upload a video clip from my camera roll, or I can paste a video URL from YouTube into the box. Then it'll grab the video and put it into Kapwing. In this case, I'm just going to upload a video from my camera roll. Tap Click to Upload, tap All Photos. I'm going to select this Wave video clip, tap that, tap Done. Now it's uploading the file to Kapwing. Here it is. Notice that the video clip is placed in the center of the square. Now I can just add a title and a subtitle to the top and bottom of the square video. What if you want to trim the video? Just tap Edit Video and then tap Trim, Adjust or Crop. Now I'm going to add a heading to the top of my square video. Tap Text. With my finger I can expand the heading. Then I'm going to tap Edit Text. I can use the impact font. I can bold it, italicize it, underline it, or I can also align it to the middle, left or right. And with text color, I can change the text color if I wish. I'm going to change the headline, so I'm going to put Azteec Island. Okay, I've got Azteec Island. You kind of got to be careful to move around different elements because you're just using the finger on your phone. So I'm going to change the title now. So just tap the title and then I can adjust the title how I wish to have it. So I think I'm just going to leave it like Azteec Island. So I move these elements up a little bit. You can adjust the elements how you like, just using your finger. I want to put a subtitle at the bottom, so tap text again, move it down, maybe expand it a little bit with my fingers. So I'm going to tap on the text, tap Edit Text. I'm going to choose black again, tap Edit Text. I got to change the text, so I'm just going to delete and put my day at the beach. Sometimes it's hard to expand the text, so instead of trying to move it with your finger, it's easier to expand the text by increasing the font size. So I tap the text, tap Edit Text, increase the font size. That's a little bit too big, so I'm going to tap Edit Text again, move the font size down a bit to maybe 36. That's better. My day at the beach. You can move the text and video elements around to get it just right. If you still need to edit the video, you can tap Edit Video. If you want to delete it, then you just tap the trash button. You can also play the video, so just tap play. So you can just see how the video looks before you actually publish it. Looks good to me. Now it's ready to be published. What if you want to change the background? Tap the three lines at the top, tap Edit Background, choose a custom size. I'm doing square video, which is 1 by 1. 60 by 9 is a YouTube video, and you can also do Instagram. Or you can choose a custom size. Then you can do padding, but here we're going to do the background color, so I'm going to choose blue, click done. Now you can see we've got a background color changed to blue, but I want to change the black to yellow. Tap the text, tap Edit Text, tap yellow. Let's do the bottom as well. Tap the text, tap Edit Text, tap yellow. Now I've got the headline and the subtitle changed to a yellow color. I tap share. I can copy the link. People with this link can edit it, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to X out of there. I want to publish it. Tap publish. It says your watermark free content is being processed. While it's being processed, just something to keep in mind that if you don't want to see the watermark on the video, then sign up for a free account and that watermark will be removed. Alternatively, you can upgrade to the pro version and all your videos, memes, square videos, etc. will be stored on the Kapwing website. This is pretty handy because you can always go back and edit the video for future videos, and it doesn't cost very much. How long does it take for the video to be processed? If it's a short video, then it happens very fast. It can take just a few minutes. Just keep in mind you don't want to upload a long video that's several gigabytes because the servers can't handle it. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to spice up your square videos so they get more views and engagement? If that's a yes, click the link in the description to watch my video on how to create square video wrappers. Here's the completed video. I scroll down, I can download the video, edit the video and make a copy. It says this video is private, but I can make the video public as well. I'm going to tap download and here's my video. Let's check if it's in the camera roll. Tap photos and here's my video, Azteec Island, my day at the beach. If you don't find your video in the camera roll, just close the Kapwing app, then reopen it to check out your video. So I'm going to tap the Kapwing app again. Here's my video in the workspace. Tap on the video and I can view it on the kapwing.com or I can save it to the camera roll. So tap save to camera roll. Now it's downloading to the camera roll. Alert saved to camera roll. Tap OK. Let's check the camera roll. And here's the video downloaded to my camera roll. So now I have 2 copies on the camera roll. Hey Herman, can you create a slideshow? Absolutely. Just watch my next video on how to create a slideshow that you can upload to YouTube. You can create the slideshow online from your computer or you can create it on your phone using the Kapwing app.